Hi, and welcome to Oticon Medical and the Ponto 5 family. Congratulations on starting your better hearing journey. Today, we're unboxing your new sound processor and reviewing all the useful tools that come inside. When you open your box, the first thing you'll find is your instructions for use, or user guide. This user guide has everything you need to get started, including MRI safety and skincare tips, and how-tos like how to turn your processor on and off, change programs, pair it to an iPhone, and much more. If you need this user guide in languages other than English, please contact your hearing care provider or Oticon Medical customer service. Underneath your instructions for use, you'll find a small box which contains a variety of accessories to make the daily use of your sound processor easier. If you have an implant and an abutment covers keep your abutment clean and discreet when you're not wearing your processor. Side indicators mark which ear your processor belongs to. Your audiologist will usually insert these for you, but we have a quick video linked below if you'd like to see how it's done. The safety line can be attached to your sound processor to help prevent drops and loss. A video reviewing how to attach it is linked below. You'll also find stickers so you can personalize your processor. Just apply them gently to the front and peel them off with care when you're ready for a new look. The multi-tool has several uses. It includes a magnetic end that can be used to help change batteries, a brush to keep the microphones clear, and the tip is used to lock or unlock a tamper-resistant battery door. The test rod lets anyone try the sound processor without wearing it on an abutment or softband. This is useful for parents or caregivers if they need to check device function. Simply connect the Ponto 5 to the test rod, press it against your head, and listen. Be sure not to touch the processor itself, or you might hear a whistle. Underneath your accessories box is your Ponto 5 sound processor and carrying case. The protective storage case is included to help keep your processor safe when not in use. The same items are included in all Ponto 5 family boxes, but the battery doors included on the devices do differ. The Ponto 5 Mini comes with an easy-to-open nail grip battery door, while the SuperPower has a tamper-proof door already attached. If you need extra safety from little hands or anyone who may ingest the small batteries, your audiologist can switch your battery door to the tamper-proof version on the Ponto 5 Mini. Please remember, hearing aid batteries are toxic, so always keep them out of reach of children, pets, and anyone who may mistake the small battery for a pill. Everything you need to get started is right here in your Ponto 5 box. With your processor and accessories, you're ready to hear and live life to the fullest. For questions, you can contact your hearing care provider or Oticon Medical customer service.